I'm Ipsita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have with me two very special guests. These are my sisters, Spriha and Sanvi.
Hi.
So she's 9 months younger to me, and she's 7 years. But shockingly, she knows better makeup. So today, what we're gonna do is both of these girls are gonna do my makeup. Like half of my face she'll do, and half my face she'll do.
Professional
And yes, professional makeup, guys. So I have not told them anything, and it's up to them what steps they want to follow and everything, and what products they want to follow. I've made them choose. It's really organized over here, and yeah. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first part is base, and we have mutually decided that I'm gonna prime my face by myself first. So this is the L'Oreal Base Magique as usual, and I'm just gonna prime my face, and then we'll start with the rest of the makeup that they're gonna do. So
I'm excited.
all the best, guys. Can you talk to
I'm
me
kind
about
of
the
nervous.
eye looks that you've thought of?
I'll play
Which
with
one?
colors, as Ippa says. And by the way, I call her Ippa because that's her nickname.
That's a real name, guys.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Right, starting with, what do you want to start with, base or the eyes?
Base.
Base.
Yes. Base only.
Okay. So, guys, tell the product that you're using, guys.
Okay. I'm using inflammable.
You both are using.
Yeah, we both are using inflammable L'Oreal Paris Demi Matte Finish.
Infallible. What do you mean inflammable?
Infallible Dream Matte Finish Airlight Oil Free Foundation.
Great.
That will last up to 24 hours.
Okay, fine. Now start putting. You have to leave also.
Okay.
Now, what am I supposed to do? It's काफी relaxing. Very relaxing.
I think I've put too much. I think I'll do better makeup than
That's okay,
Sanvi.
just blend.
Okay, I need to do it. I've chosen my blender also.
She's using the L'Oreal Infallible Blender, and she's using the Nykaa.
New one.
The Nykaa. I don't know what it's called. It will be in the description box below. Be sure to check it out.
Nykaa Purple Blender.
Okay, guys. What do you want to say about me? Anything?
You do
So we've
very nice makeup as compared to me.
So Spriha
Yeah.
and I have been together since we were kids, because she lives in Delhi. So
Okay.
every other day, ouch! Stop hitting me, Spriha. Every other day we were at her house, and she was here, and it was fun. But
Okay.
she bullied me.
One minute.
Do you want to enlighten people about you bullying me?
Now I'm using
Yeah.
Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and
Sunny, what
Define.
concealer did
Yeah.
you use?
I use full coverage, conceal and contour. Okay, I'm reading all of
Information.
Right.
I'm
What do
using
you-
Maybelline New York concealer, age rewind.
Asian concealer.
Yeah.
You can talk now.
Yeah, so she bullied me as a kid, even though she's I mean,
Yeah.
I was supposed to bully her, but she bullied me. So, you want to tell
Yes.
what you did to me?
I think I was more fantasized by her things than mine because I always thought her pouch
even
pouch
if we had
color
the
was
same
better than
thing,
me.
but in different colors. She always wanted mine.
I was insecure.
Can you decide one name that you want to call me?
Ippu.
Okay.
I think.
Right.
Acha. Where do we
next?
put concealer?
I can't help you. You can ask her if she wants to help you.
No.
She's your opponent. But
I don't want to help you.
Acha, we are doing. Oh, okay.
You can't see mine, no.
Too late.
You are right here. I can.
Too late, guys. Too late.
Okay.
Okay.
What should I do next?
So,
I think I'm doing a
Sanvi is
good
really
job.
into makeup,
Yeah.
and
I try to do makeup. but
it's
I
up
failed
to-
miserably.
Cleaning.
Yeah.
She's really into cleaning.
Yeah.
So
I
every time
organize
have
the
to, like-
makeup by
So
the way.
every time I have to get my cupboard cleaned, I'm
Okay, I
like,
hope I'm doing this right. No, I'm not.
what? So what are you gonna do
Okay.
now?
Let's
Okay,
get
Sanvi.
into eyes.
Just I'm gonna say one thing. Okay?
Yeah.
If you're doing a powder product, don't you think
Yeah.
you should powder my face down first and then go in with the powder product?
I don't know. You were not supposed to tell anything. You are being
I'm
biased.
asking. That'll help you too, man.
Acha.
Okay.
Okay. So,
So-
guys, there are too many brushes.
I don't know what to do right now.
I'll start with eyes. This is her very famous palette. You guys must have seen it in many YouTube videos.
Use a brush for it if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
what?
I'll use this.
Okay, you can go for whatever brush you want.
Oh no, you were telling me.
Yeah. Then I decided not to.
Okay, first do we? Okay.
Can
What
you
color I
can
like?
You, okay, fine. Leave it.
Okay. This and this.
What?
I'm too confused.
Okay, do whatever you feel like you should do. Then we'll
That's
talk.
what.
Close your eyes.
What color are you using? Show.
Okay,
This
maybe
is
I'm gonna first
turquoise.
do this. Okay, how do we open this?
I clearly
What
don't
are you
know.
using?
The for contouring.
Okay.
I'm not telling you. You take whatever brush you
I
want.
am doing
She
light
chose her
base.
brush herself.
Yes. Matlab, this is not the right brush. Okay.
I'm not saying anything about that.
Because you're not supposed to.
Yeah.
When I say I'm doing makeup like
This is harder than I thought.
it will be controversial. You
I
got
feel
it,
like-
na?
Is this the first time in your life that you're using eyeshadow?
I think so because I usually do it with my fingers.
Yeah.
The eyeshadow.
Okay,
thing.
Sanvi, you need to be quick a little bit. What are you doing? What palette are you using?
I'm using the Nykaa one.
Nykaa Eyes on
This
Me.
This one.
In Santana
Yeah.
Stana. Okay.
Oh my god. You're taking. Okay, she's copying my.
No, I'm not. Okay.
I'm really
good at
Let's
this,
talk
I
about
think.
something. Sanvi has a social media presence.
Yes, and she is very conscious about her looks. So
No, I'm
she
not.
she puts GIFs on her face and puts stories. Then
Yes,
puts
guys,
stories.
tell her that she's pretty.
Yes, and I am obsessed with clicking photos.
Yeah.
So-
she is.
Okay, we should play a Would You Rather game.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
I don't think Sanvi understands it, but okay.
I'll make you choose between things, okay? So that we all can play.
I think I'm done with. Okay, what is next? If you can start with a game.
Okay.
I'm a multitasker.
Yes, I need my phone for that.
Yeah. Oh, this is the highlighter brush.
We should do
Achha.
like a Q&A, right? Let's find Q&A questions.
What I should do next? I think I'll.
Okay. Okay.
I love yellow, guys. So I think I'll put yellow on her eyes also. Do you have something glitter, matlab glitter wala thing that you
It's
use?
in the palette that she's using.
I'm not gonna give you my palette.
No, you have to.
Why?
Because you can take her palette also, no?
You are taking her whole face. I can't take the palette.
Okay, sister tag questions, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
30 questions, you can answer alternatively. Or if
shit,
like
no
one's meant for her, I'll ask her. If one's meant for you, I'll ask her.
I think I did a pretty good job.
That's good.
I'm creating a rainbow.
Good to be confident in yourself.
Okay, kind of looks
Nice, na?
Yeah.
See, she approved.
What do you like about your sister, guys? What do you like about me?
About
Also,
you.
about you. Or no, these. You
Because
both are
we
my
both are-
sisters.
Yeah, they're siblings. I'm their cousin.
Yeah.
Right. I have a brother who won't show up in my videos. So,
He's very shy.
yes.
But we love.
Okay, fine. What do you like about me?
Um,
One thing. Priya goes first.
Can I go first?
If you have an
inspire
answer,
me.
sure. That's so cute, Sanvi. Okay, what about
Okay.
you?
Beat that.
Beat that. I always thought Ippu is all-rounder, like good in studies, obviously.
Obviously, what's so obvious about that? I'm freaking about my entrance, okay?
Because mom always like tells me Hippu ko dekho and all.
But
this.
that's like every mother ever.
Nahi na,
Spriha ko
your
dekho.
name is constant na. From
So
the
that's what,
beginning.
na? So like, Spriha studies so much, man. Look at her.
Yaar,
That's for me.
okay. fine.
Anyway, fine. Okay. Right. What do you hate about me? Or dislike about me?
that
Hate
you
is
get
a
irritated very easily.
Really?
Yeah.
You were saying that.
Nahi, now you have changed. I know, but
Sanvi, what are you
previously.
using?
Huh?
You can use any brush you want, Sanvi.
But I like she lets me use anything I want. मतलब
Okay, I'm
उसके घर
using
में.
the blush of Wet n Wild. Color.
Okay.
Color icon.
What do you use first, blush or highlighter?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, I know
think
this.
वो highlighter because Sanvi
Okay,
is
what's your
using
funniest memory together?
together?
Of us.
Yeah.
Like we three or me and Sanvi?
You and I.
हाँ, yeah. Okay. In okay, this is very embarrassing, but we used to
Take baths together.
नहीं हाँ that also we used to take baths together, and like there was a shower portion and the rest of the bathroom. So we used to pretend that when the shower is on, we used to pretend that it's raining, and we were like, oh my god, it started raining, oh my god,
We're
and
gonna drown now.
yeah. And this is also
I'm doing so
embarrassing
bad.
that we ate hide and seek while pooping.
Yeah, okay, so that's traumatizing. Okay, and that
Oh,
was
my
all-
friends are going to see this, but it's
Yeah.
okay. They know
So many
everything.
people are. We're putting this on the internet, guys. Sanvi, what about you? I feel
I'm
like
doing
my
so
most
bad.
most like
Your
fun
blush
memory
face.
with her
Hmm.
is when she stayed at my house alone, and like you were not there basically.
Abhi
And
recently, December.
yeah, and I traumatized her with so much
Yeah.
information at once.
Regarding
It
CA.
No, I also about a family, man. A lot of the things that she
Yeah.
had like assumptions. I was like, dude, that's not how it's gonna work. And then she's like, oh my god, really? Okay.
Now what do I do?
Whose room is a mess? It's my room.
Always.
Because she is OCD, so she's always fighting to.
Like I don't let them sit on my bed when I just clean the
What's
bed
my
sheet.
favorite food or drink? And I'll answer
Pizza.
for you guys also. Okay, guys, so we had like to stop unexpectedly because my camera, the memory card is just 8 GB and it gets filled real fast. So she was doing my brows and she's doing my setting powder. So yes, we'll continue from there.
I literally have no clue what I'm doing, but
You
That's
are
okay.
asking questions.
Yeah. Picking up my phone now. Who is the most talented? I'm gonna say Sanvi. Among the three of us.
Okay.
Dude, she can do. She cooks also.
Yeah.
She's like, how old are you?
I'm 13, almost 13.
She's 12 and she can cook and she can cut mangoes also. I learned that now in quarantine.
Okay.
True.
And also she can do makeup and act and stuff. Remember your YouTube channel, Sanvi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didi, which brush we use for
What's a weird habit?
contouring?
That's your thing to decide. She
Thanks for
used
so
to,
much help.
She used to suck on her thumb when she slept as a kid.
Yeah, that's
Also 2
an
days
embarrassing
ago.
story.
But
Oh my
okay.
god, that's so embarrassing.
Okay, what's
I
what's
told
one?
you not to tell anyone, and you're saying on your YouTube channel only.
Okay, so what's the thing that I do?
Weird thing.
Weird habit, yeah.
I don't know. मतलब
So I'm not weird
नहीं, you are weird. वैसे मतलब पूरा you are weird.
in
but-
general.
हाँ, you are weird in general. Okay, so first I'll introduce my makeup.
Maybelline Superstay lip crayon
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm using
That.
the butter bronzer.
by Physicians Formula.
It looks like crayon only.
It's a lip crayon.
Okay. Why do we use
Smells
this?
so nice. I know.
Use this. Okay, we use this brush for this one, you know.
I want to eat it.
Yes, Sanvi.
Okay. You
Can
confirmed
you please
it.
look here for once?
Yeah, okay.
Because I'm
You can
just
do
took
highlight
my-
until then. You can do highlight.
on your own. On
No,
yourself.
it will show up on camera, no?
You just took the whole face.
It's not yours.
Okay, what was my favorite TV show as a kid, guys?
Do this.
That octopus one.
Sharamani
Oswald.
Oswald.
You're ashamed of yourself.
I'm so sorry.
Also, when I was a little bigger, older.
Hannah
was
Montana.
our
Hannah
Jack?
Montana. Hannah Montana.
Dude, come on. We watched
Yo, वो कैसी है यार या है ना?
I was talking about Kya Mast Hai Life, but
अच्छा oh yeah,
Yeah,
that
कैसी है
also.
यार?
Kaisi Yaari was like, okay, that was 5 years ago. Shit. Oh, that's scary. Okay.
I'm using the lip gloss or lip gloss.
Well, I need a.
We used to call
Mascara,
lip gloss as
mascara.
lip gloss.
mascara. Can anyone get me mascara?
Yes,
Love
lip gloss.
This, your lip.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, stop laughing now.
Don't blink.
I love this lip gloss. Lip gloss.
Don't blink.
I'm trying.
You can't defeat.
Okay.
मम्मा मम्मी चुप रहना थोड़ा चुप रहो मतलब आवाज आ रही है
ठीक है. Okay.
एंड
Okay, wait,
she's
wait,
done
wait,
with the
wait,
gloss
wait,
now.
wait, wait.
आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर्ड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू यूज दिस मैं ढूंढ रही थी बट मुझे मिला नहीं
Okay, now I'm gonna use a highlighter.
Can
Did
you
you use my
copy
highlighter?
No.
Okay, which
I'm not
brush
telling
do
you
you
not to blink देखा
Yeah.
I'm a nice makeup artist you
Well, time will tell.
I can do one now
I'm gonna score you guys on base, eyes,
Can you open
and
eyes?
lips. Okay.
Okay.
eyes
And lips.
Oh my god. Oh my
And
god.
base.
Okay.
don't overreact
I'm not over
Hmm.
ज़्यादा ही highlighter लगा दूँगी.
I'll give
That's
it
okay.
touch.
There's
1
nothing.
minute
There's nothing called too much highlight.
true
Says the person who doesn't put highlighter ever.
नहीं
Okay. Now what?
okay I'm done guys
No, I'm
Are
not
you?
done.
yes
With the whole face.
yeah
That's cool.
Okay. Now I just need my lipstick. Yeah. Here we go.
Well, she's using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Los Angeles.
Yeah, and I use the Huda Beauty highlighter.
wait I haven't used this what is this eyeshadow
Yeah, you can't use it.
This was at your home for 3 months.
Yeah.
but मुझे ये पता होता तो I would great makeup artist
I chose this, by the way.
yeah oh
Wait,
you
this.
do वाला
Okay, wait, this is not working.
Inner corner highlight.
inner corner highlight that's what I think I've used 2 different colors because I forgot what I used for the first time oh yeah settings I love this part when she
Hold
does,
on, we'll do it
when,
together.
when she does this and
We'll do the whole face at once.
I know Sanya are you done because
Sanya, are you
No,
done?
I'm not.
We're running out of time.
yeah
Okay, just. Okay.
we need to eat dinner Sanya
Yeah, it's chicken for dinner today.
and that's what we came for
Oh, that's mean.
Okay,
guys.
I guess.
Okay,
I'm
are you
done
guys
now.
done?
yeah,
Yeah.
can I do it
Yeah.
My lipstick wasn't.
I love Sanvi's part but mine is also good
Okay. Okay, who's winning in what category? What are you gonna say? Who's winning in base?
In base, I am winning. I guess
What
so.
about eyes? I'm winning.
Yeah, I'm winning. On highlighter,
And
I'm
lips?
winning.
you can see it now
Oh,
I
lips
think.
was.
let me
One.
clean your bow
Okay, 1.
2, 3. Okay.
Oh my god.
not a bad job now for first
Yeah. It's not that bad. Okay,
your
why did you
side
not
is-
clean this up?
यार मुझे दिखा नहीं उस टाइम.
Didi,
You did not do contours.
Oh, I forgot.
I like your lip application better.
Yeah.
So that's good. You both
Lip,
have not
I
blended this
want-
color, the
Yeah.
transition shade. And I give you points for doing brows. A little bit. Whatever you did. I don't
Yeah.
know what you did. I can't see it. And yeah, it's pretty good.
which side do you like better?
I think for base I'll go with hers. Because
Lips,
just because
mine.
just because you spilled like the eyeshadow all over here and you did not
Yeah.
clean that up. So
And for eyes, eyeshadow.
I like it.
Yeah.
But how's my color combination?
Yeah, I like it, but you should have chosen a lighter transition color.
Yeah, true.
Okay, guys.
And mine
so
looks better.
this is the finished look, and I think she won.
Yes.
She won the lip application though, but it's okay. She won, and well,
Overall, I
not
won.
gonna lie, we all knew that she was gonna win.
Yeah.
So it does not hurt anybody. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.